Life can really be hard sometimes, no, yung tipo ginawa mo naman lahat, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. You keep trying, you keep smiling, you keep surviving. Pero deep inside, pagod ka na rin. Minsan mapapatanong ka na lang, bakit ako napunta sa ganitong situation? Bakit parang ang unfair ng buhay at kahit gusto mo lang sumuko, may part pa rin sa'yo na gusto mong lumaban. But you know, what I realize, maybe life is not destroying you, maybe life is shaping you. Because every delay, every pain, every disappointment, may itinuturo pala. Hindi man natin maiintindihan ngayon, pero one day, marirealize natin bakit kailangan mong pagdaanan lahat. Some chapters are meant to break your comfort zone. Some people are meant to live so you can grow. And some struggles are there to prepare you to bigger opportunities. Kaya kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, don't be too hard on yourself. Ako rin, nahihirapan din ako mag-voice over dito pero hindi ako tumigil kasi may pangarap ako. Kaya kalaban lang kahit mahirap kakayanin. Kasi hindi porget mabagal ka, ibig sabihin wala ka nang mararating. Hindi porget manliligaw ka, ibig sabihin tapos ka na, kaya laban mo lang. Anyway guys, remember this, flowers don't bloom overnight and strong people are not created in easy situations. So keep going, cry if you need. But if you must, never be lose hope in yourself. Because maybe this season of your life is not punishment. Maybe this is a redirection. Maybe God is preparing you for something bigger than what you asked for. And one day you look back at this painful moment and say, kaya pala nangyari ang lahat.